Hello everyone. So this is the second video I'm making for this chapter, banks and simple interest. And in the last video we discussed about what is the formula for calculating simple interest. Why do we actually have banks? What is the need for it, and how do we calculate simple interest, and what are the things that are required in the simple interest. So just to quickly recap like what we discussed. So we saw the formula for simple interest, which was nothing but simple interest is equal to P into T into R upon 100. So what was P? P was the principal amount. What was T? T was time in years, and R is equal to rate of interest. And then we solved simple sums about how to find the simple interest if one of the things, that is P is given, T is given, or R is given. That is what we saw in the last YouTube video and also in the sync class. Now what we'll do is I want to tell you a very important scenario. For example, now you're going to a bank to take a loan. When you go to a bank, आप पहले से दिमाग में सोच के जाते हो कि okay, I can only pay this much as interest. No one goes in the bank and then is like, okay, if I take a loan of 1 lakh, then if they charge 4,000 or 5,000 as simple interest as a year, it's okay, I will pay it. No. If you ask your parents also, the first thing that they will see when they are taking a loan is simple interest या interest कितना लग रहा है. पहले when you go to a bank, this is the first thing you have in your mind always. Then you find out कि rate कितना है. And rate is very important thing, क्योंकि simple interest आपके दिमाग में होता है, मैं इतना ही भर सकता हूँ. Principal amount you know कि मुझे इतना लोन चाहिए अभी तक, I need this much loan. And time is okay, I can pay this in 3 years. So rate is actually what we find, and then we go to bank, because जिसका rate अच्छा होगा, जिसका rate कम होगा, we'll go to that bank. So it's always important कि how to find that then. For example, so today what we'll do is we'll do sums where simple interest is given, and then we will find either one of these. We will find principal amount or T or R. Simple interest दिया है 100 है, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट दिया है, टाइम दिया है, तो आर निकालना रहेगा. दीज आर द टाइम्स दैट विल सी. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द सम. इफ सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज रुपीज 4,000, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट, आई हैव सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. ओके, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट मुझे उन्होंने दिया है. इफ सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज रुपीज 4,000, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट इज रुपीज 10,000, rate of interest is 4%. Then what is the time taken in years? Now we have 3 things here and 1 thing is missing. Now we will see what is this thing. Okay, now simple interest ka formula is P into T into R upon 100. They have given us simple interest, which is this 4,000 rupees. They gave us the principal amount, which is 10,000. Okay, now what are they telling us is, okay, the time is what we have to find and rate is 4%. Now what is the formula for simple interest? Simple interest का formula is just P into T into R upon 100. Now simple interest is 4,000. They gave us principal amount as 10,000. Time is something that we are finding, so I will write time as time. I'm not changing that. And rate is 4% upon 100. Now there is very important thing here. See, on the right hand side there is one alphabet T and there are 3 numbers. What was happening in the previous sum was unknown, मतलब जो अल्फाबेट या जो चाहिए था that was on this side, और पूरा right hand side पे पूरे numbers रहते थे. By the way, let me tell you what is left hand side and what is right hand side. This is equal to के जो ये side होता है that is called LHS, which is left hand side, is equal to के जो ये side होता है that is called RHS, which is right hand side. So if you see right hand side में there is some alphabet and some numbers, or left hand side में there is only number. So you can't solve it directly. How can you multiply T into 4? What is the answer? You don't know. T into 4 is, we don't know. 4 into 4 we know, but T into 4 we don't know. So we have to do something. Now what we have to do is we have to interchange. हमेशा remember, LHS, whatever is there in the denominator, whatever is written above is called numerator, whatever is written नीचे is called denominator. Yeah, in simply terms, ऊपर या नीचे, remember it that ways. Whatever it is written here, you have to bring it this side. जो भी यहाँ पे लिखा होगा. Now there is nothing. For example, if there is 1, there is nothing means there is 1. जो भी यहाँ पे लिखा होगा, you have to bring this side. whatever is written here, you will bring it this side. Now see what I did. 100 was written here. I have to bring it this side. Is equal to the left hand side. पर उसको मैं लाऊंगा मल्टीप्लीकेशन के साथ. तो 4000 into 100 is equal to, उधर क्या था 1, तो वो तो कुछ था ही नहीं, मतलब 1 था, तो आई कैन राइट ऑल्सो 1. 1 doesn't change that much. अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, दिस इज द स्टेप आई डिड. 100 को आई ब्रॉट इट दिस साइड, 1 को आई ब्रॉट इट दिस साइड. दिस बिकम्स 4000 into 100 into 1000 into 2 into t into 4 into 1. Right? Yes. Okay. Now what we have to do is, अभी now check here. यहाँ पे there are 3 numbers and 1 alphabet. What you have to do is, you have to just keep the alphabet there. It is. For example, abhi T, I have to keep it here only. All the numbers I have to bring niche. Now, okay, I have to bring niche. So 1000 into 4, I brought it down. पहले से यहाँ पे 4000 into 100 था, right? With T, there is 1000, there is 4. I will bring every number below this. ये 4000 upon 100 के नीचे. And then 10,000. This is by the way, okay? Then I cut. There are 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there was 4, 1. The answer is 10 years. And now we'll look at one more sum, and then maybe it will be more clear, because the last sum maybe you are learning it for the first time and it was a bit tough. Please watch the video again. Now see in this sum, it's very simple. It's very similar also. If simple interest is rupees 500, rate of interest is 3%, time in years is 6 years. What is the principal amount? So we have 3 things right now. One is simple interest, which is 500. One is rate of interest, which is 3%, and one is 6 years. What is the principal amount is what we have to figure out. Similarly, every time start with the same formula. Simple interest is equal to P into T into R upon 100. What is given? Simple interest is given. I wrote it here. The principal is not given, so I will write P. Time is given 6. Rate is given 3. 100, it is 100. Now what to do? Similar situation. See in the numerator. यहाँ पे एक अल्फाबेट है, यहाँ पे एक नंबर है. Can you multiply alphabet with number? You can't multiply alphabet number. That's the problem. What is P into 6? What will you write? You will don't know what to write, so you can't multiply that. Now, so what you will do is, जिसके इसके नीचे था, you will bring it here. Just इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन बोलते हैं. In maths, this is called cross multiplication. Whatever is down here, you bring it up here. Whatever is down here, you will bring it up here. So I will just cross multiply, and then we get this step. 500, 100 यहाँ से वो साइड गया into 100, 1 यहाँ से वो साइड गया, P into 6 into 1. Now the same step. Identify number कौन से उनको एक साइड लाना है, अल्फाबेट कौन से उनको एक साइड लाना है. Which are the numbers here? 500 is a number, 100 is a number, 6 is a number, 3 is a number, 1 is a number. P is alphabet. So keep P here only. 6, 3 और 1 अभी मुझे ये साइड शिफ्ट करना है, बट वो ऊपर नहीं आएगा. वो कैसे आएगा? नीचे आएगा. तो 500 into 100 upon 6 into 3 into 1. That is 50,000 upon 18. Now many of you don't know how to do long division. Okay, so I have also showed a long division का method. First you have to divide 18 बाहर, 50,000 under. So 18 2s are 36. Then I've left with 14. I bring this 0 down. 18 7s are 126. I again get 140. It's a recurring thing. So 277 is my answer. Please watch this video again and again. And rather than getting the right answer, see what method I am using. But that's more important. If you get the method, then answer you will get it anytime. That's not important. And please also make notes and do send me an image when you're done with it. Okay.